Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable financial insights to help you build a secure future. In today's video, we'll be discussing strategies for maximizing your individual retirement account, or IRA, contributions. By utilizing these strategies, you can supercharge your retirement savings and set yourself up for long-term financial success. So let's dive in. Before we explore the strategies, let's briefly recap what an IRA is. An IRA is a tax-advantaged investment account designed to help individuals save for retirement. It offers various benefits, including potential tax deductions and tax-free growth. Now let's jump into the strategies for maximizing your IRA contributions. Contribute the maximum amount. Each year, the IRS sets a contribution limit for IRAs. For 2023, the limit is $6,000 for individuals under 50 years old, with an additional catch-up contribution of $1,000 for those 50 and older. Aim to contribute the maximum allowed to take full advantage of the tax benefits and maximize your retirement savings potential. Start early. The power of compounding works best over a long time horizon. By starting to contribute to your IRA as early as possible, you give your investments more time to grow. Even small contributions made consistently over time can make a significant difference in your retirement savings. Automate your contributions. Set up automatic contributions to your IRA. This ensures that a portion of your income goes directly into your retirement account without any effort on your part. It helps you stay disciplined and consistent with your savings. Take advantage of employer matches. If you have access to an employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k or 403b, check if your employer offers a matching contribution. Contribute enough to your employer plan to receive the maximum matching contribution. Then, allocate additional funds to your IRA to further boost your retirement savings. Consider a spousal IRA. If you're married and one spouse doesn't have earned income, they may still be eligible for a spousal IRA. This allows the non-working spouse to contribute to an IRA based on the working spouse's income. It's an excellent way to maximize retirement savings for both partners. Convert to a Roth IRA. If you have a traditional IRA, consider converting some or all of your funds to a Roth IRA. While you'll have to pay taxes on the converted amount, it allows your investments to grow tax-free, potentially resulting in significant tax savings in retirement. Take advantage of tax refunds. If you receive a tax refund, consider using it to make an additional IRA contribution. It's a smart way to put that extra money to work for your retirement and potentially increase your tax-advantaged savings. Utilize IRA deadline extensions. Note that the deadline for making IRA contributions is typically April 15th of the following year. However, in some cases, the deadline may be extended, such as when the 15th falls on a weekend or a holiday. Take advantage of any extensions to maximize your contributions for the tax year. Consider backdoor Roth IRA. If your income exceeds the limits for direct Roth IRA contributions, explore the option of a backdoor Roth IRA. This involves making a non-deductible contribution to a traditional IRA and then converting it to a Roth IRA. It allows higher-income individuals to take advantage of the benefits of a Roth IRA. Seek professional guidance. Consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure you're making the most of your IRA contributions. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and help you navigate complex tax rules. By implementing these strategies, you can maximize your IRA contributions and accelerate your journey towards a comfortable retirement. Remember, the key is to start early. Be consistent, and make the most of the tax advantages offered by IRAs. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please comment below. We're here to help. We'll do our best to respond to your questions directly in the comments, or create a dedicated video to address them. Don't hesitate to reach out and let us assist you in planning for a secure retirement. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss common IRA mistakes to avoid. Until then, take care and happy investing.